Alright, so this is just a little extra part. Pretty much one thing I forgot to mention is how to change the hand pose animation. So first, let's visually change it in editor. So, oh my god, I think you have to hold trigger on this and move your mouse away. It's something weird with Unreal. And then pretty much just search for whatever gun hand pose you want. So for base, let's do car 98K. It pops up all the car 98K animations. So let's choose let's see, this one. No, that's the magazine one. Car 98K. So let's see. At the very end, it says what type. So this is two hand, this is magazine, and this is weapon. So there we go. Now the hand pose is now this. But that doesn't actually change anything. That just makes you can visually tell. And then what you want to do is you want to go over here and search for sequence. And then select sequence. And then you will search for it. And you want to look for the blackened version. Like pretty much these here. And also the path, it says, if you look at a little bit lower in that box, it says game/guns. You want to make sure it has that and not game/hands. You want it to be game/guns and whatever gun. And then we're going to select the same one, weapon. And there. It will now be in game. It will be Car 98K. And same thing with the offhand. Just car 98K. Let's see, this time we'll do two hand and slightly different. No good gun. Sequence. Two hand. I need to look for the two hand sequence. You may actually have to use another gun. Two hand changing may be a bit different. Actually, let's see. You may actually have to use a different weapon as a base, because if I'm not mistaken, the second hand component or the two hand grip has its own value, but it's not possible to change component values as far as I'm aware. So you can't really change this actually. So this is what I'll look like. But you can change this grip. Now, I mean, if you really want to change the second hand component, you can go over to the guns folder and select whatever gun you want to build your weapon off of. And then right click, create child blueprint, and then you can start by adding all this code over. You'll have to copy this whole thing over to that. But the AK-12 works the best. That's what I just want to say. Also, one thing I didn't show in the tutorial is the updated layout, and that I added this bit, trigger ratio. And then over here, instead of it casting to the anim blueprint, it just sets it. Alright, and yeah, it will look like custom gun base, custom gun, you'll have everything here. And here, this is all the base stuff, and this is everything from the tutorial. Alright, hope you guys have a good day. If it would stop recording.